It's easy to find yourself feeling a bit overwhelmed about your first day in a new job. So the aim of this video is to give you a few top tips for making a good impression during your first week, whether you're starting in person or remotely. We'll cover what to wear, what to take with you, remote starts, and professional communication. So what to wear? A good question to ask prior to starting is whether there's an office dress code or uniform. But if you don't have that information, it's definitely best to err on the side of caution and go for something smarter to be on the safe side. It's more comfortable to be the only one who's dressed smartly in a room full of casually dressed people than the other way round. What to take with you? If you're going into the office, it's a good idea to take your own mug and water bottle and a pen and a notebook. There might be paperwork to complete on your first day, so check with your line manager in advance if there's anything that you need to take with you and make sure that you don't forget them. Remote starts. If you're being onboarded remotely, as you might be at the moment, still dress smartly and make sure you are on time for any conference calls. Make sure you've thought about what's in the background and have your webcam on for every call so that people can see you. Create a folder on your computer to keep any files that you're sent during your induction period so you have quick access to things that you might need frequently. Things like your company ID number, for instance. Now, professional communication. It can be really easy when you're nervous to either clam up and not talk to people or go the other way and overshare. You'll soon find people that you gel with who may well become friends, but to start with, keep conversations professional, ask people questions about their work to start to get to know them and work out who does what. The number one thing is to remember to treat everyone, including reception staff, cleaners, your immediate colleagues, people from other companies who might be sharing a building, managers, and everyone in between with respect and courtesy. Meetings. You may well have a lot of these. It's a good idea to take notes in meetings so you remember what it was about, and it helps you to look and feel organised. If there are things that you don't understand, make a note of them and ask your manager or a colleague later on. Mind your body language in meetings. Try to sit upright and keep your arms unfolded so that you don't come across as bored. Emails. It depends what kind of apprenticeship you're doing, but it's likely that you will need to get to grips with writing professional emails. A good rule to follow is to keep emails short, clear, and formal to start with. Use dear or good morning as a greeting and kind regards or best wishes as a sign-off. Top tip, if someone sends you an email, mirror their style in your reply. So whichever greeting and sign-off they use, you use that as well. You'll soon get used to the company way of doing things by paying attention to your colleagues' communication styles. Above all, during your first week, your aim should be to meet people, to start to work out who you'll be working most closely with and what their roles are, so you know who can help you with what. Write lots of things down and don't be afraid to ask questions. You're new. They're going to expect it. The first week in a new job can be exhausting because you're constantly learning new information, but it will help you get off to a great start if you can just keep going and make a really good first impression. Get plenty of sleep, eat well, drink water, and try not to schedule anything else during that week so you can fully focus on your apprenticeship. Good luck, and remember to look out on our social channels for advice from our Not Going to Uni ambassadors who are already established in their apprenticeships and know what you're going through. You could even join them now that you're another person about to start their career by not going to uni.